This video will demonstrate the operations of dispensing and the running a rinse sequence iMix 3 hot beverage system. Open the machine door. Place the rinse run switching the rinse position. Press the dispense button on the station that needs to be rinsed. Water will dispense for 10 seconds. Repeat for all dispense stations. After the rinse LED has extinguished, the rinse timer is reset. Return the rinse run switch to the run position. Place a cup on the drip tray beneath the dispensing tip. Press the button and dispense the beverage. Release the button when the cup is approximately 3/4 full. Allow the whipper chamber to drain. Note, the whipper chamber must drain at the end of each dispense. Open the machine door. Turn all hopper elbows in the upwards position. Then remove all hoppers.